Hi, and welcome back to the Guitar RX channel. Today we're going to show you a cool product that I love for Telecasters. I think it's a Telecaster's best friend. It's called the Electrosocket. It's a jack cup basically that incorporates a threaded design, so you could actually thread your jack in there and it slides into the guitar and with two screws firmly secures it to the body. Now, any of you that have known the old Telecaster jack systems, you had a cup that basically sat into the hole, which had a cleat on the inside, and the jack threads would go through there. You put the nut on there, tighten it up, it would pull the cleat in, and then lock the jack cup to the guitar. Sort of a pain in the ass. They always came loose, and a lot of times the jack cups didn't fit, or they were too deep and you couldn't get, you know, your cable in there, especially an angle cable at all. So what we're going to do today is put this on here. I love these, and I am not affiliated by Electrosocket in any way. I pay for them just like you do, but it's really just a great product. First off, let's show you how to install it. You thread it on your jack just like so, tighten it up, and basically put it in the guitar. Let me get the wires out of the way like that. Okay, so you put it in the guitar like that. I usually like to install it so that the screw holes are basically straight up and down, so it looks nice like that. Okay, then you come in with the drill on an angle and you drill it through just like that. Now you take the screws that come with the kit and you put them through the holes like that, and screw them in. Just like that. Now let me get the other side, then I'll snug them both up real good once I get this side in and going. Okay. Okay, that's going in just fine. Okay, and in the end, there you have it. A real nice installation. It sits nice and flat, and there you go. A real simple piece of cake. It took me about 2 minutes to install it, and that's all that's to it. Electrosocket, you can look them up online. They sell these all over eBay and stuff. You can find them everywhere, and they're really not that expensive, but it's the greatest thing you can do to your telly, or if you're building a telly, this is definitely the way to go. Anyways, I hope I was helpful today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you would, please like and subscribe and tune into the channel and check out all the other videos. We'll be putting up videos 1-2 times a week to help you all out. Anyways, take care, have a great day, and God bless.